Hey there everyone, just wanted to show you what's in week 2 of the 2019 summer season share box here. As you probably have heard, a lot of farms in the area are running about 1 month behind where we normally do this time of year, just because there's been so much rain. We had record rain in May and the cold, and so you're going to see a lot of what was in the box last week, but then several things in the field we've got our eye on that are going to be coming into season here really soon. So green cabbage for sure should be ready by next week, and a whole bunch of stuff is getting ready to come in. But I wanted to show you this. One of our strategies this year is we're hoping to have microgreens in your box on just about every week. Some of you have the mild wellness mix, which is broccoli, kale, and mizunia, and some of you have pea shoots. So we're keeping track of who's got what, and that way you'll get a chance to try all of them throughout the year, but we don't always have enough to put the same thing in everybody's box each week. These are great just for throwing on tacos as a garnish or wraps. They're also wonderful, just throw them in the salad. Really high nutrition. Microgreens have been tested and they've got 10 to 25 times the nutritional components of their more mature counterparts. Now, if you got the pea shoots, what I'd recommend, because they are about 4 or 5 inches long, is to cut them in thirds, and that way they will be a little bit easier to eat for you. So just lay them out and do a quick chop with your chef's knife, and they should be good to go. We've also got arugula again this week, and we have mesclun. So again, these are very flavorful, great for putting in salads. We also have garlic scapes again. If you're stumped on the garlic scapes, they will keep for a month or even 2 in a bag in the crisper drawer in your fridge, or you can food process them. I like to put them in the food processor and just pulse them until they're really fine. They can be a lot of work with a knife because they are a bit fibrous, but once you've done that food processing, you can put them in a bag and then just grab them throughout the week and use them wherever you want garlic flavor. We have broccoli rabe again. The flowers are totally edible, very sweet. You can use them to garnish a salad. The leaves, the stalks, stems, everything. Anything you would do with asparagus or head broccoli, you can do with broccoli rabe, and it will be probably better. Hakurei turnips. The hakurei turnips are a little bit bigger this week. We actually made a stir fry earlier where we sauteed the roots first, and then we added the stems in and then the greens, and they're great doing like that. Or you can just do a simple garlic, do the garlic scapes, and then coconut oil, saute that in a pan with the greens just for a couple minutes, and it makes an amazing side with a lot of flavor. And then we have 2 green kohlrabis this week. And I know kohlrabi can be a little bit of a stumper for some people, but this is absolutely one of the most versatile vegetables that there is. Just peel the outer covering here with a chef's knife, or you can use a vegetable peeler, and then you've got this amazing bulb to work with. It almost has the texture of an apple. It's not quite as sweet, but you can eat it raw, you can roast it, you can grate it, you can make slaws out of it. The possibilities are almost endless with the kohlrabi. So it also does great in stir fry as well. The leaves on the kohlrabi are also great. Anything that you would use kale in, these leaves are just as good, if not better. They're a little bit sweeter. So if you need an exit strategy because you're getting to the end of the week and you don't know what to do with all your vegetables, you can use all of these broccoli rabe, garlic scapes, kohlrabi, and hakurei turnips in one stir fry and feed just a couple people, and it'll do an amazing job. You would cut up your kohlrabi and your roots on your hakurei first, saute those first, and then add in the broccoli rabe, and then the stems from your hakurei turnips, then the leaves, and then finally put the garlic scapes in, and you're gonna have amazing stir fry. So I hope you enjoy week number 2 of this week's box, and we'll be back next week to show you more.